Everybody, welcome to the video on world's costliest drug that's available at this point in time. And what is that drug called? It's called Zolgensma, which is a brand name, and the generic name is onasemnogene abiparvovec. And how much does it cost? It costs about $2.125 million US dollars per dose. But luckily, it's a single dose and it's usually given as intravenous infusion, which means it's slowly infused into the blood vessels through one of the veins. And what does it treat? It treats a condition called spinal muscular atrophy. And how does this disease affect us? And what is the cause of this disease? The cause of the disease is that in this spinal muscular atrophy, there's a loss of gene that's called SMN1 gene. SMN is an abbreviation that stands for survival motor neuron. And this gene is the gene that carries information that makes a protein called SMN protein, which is survival motor neuron protein. And this protein actually is needed by every cell in the body. And in animals, unfortunately, there's only one SMN gene, which is one type of gene, which is SMN1 gene, that will be fatal if that is absent. But in human, fortunately, we have an extra gene called SMN2 gene that can partially compensate for the loss of the SMN by producing lower levels of this SMN protein. And with this lower level of SMN protein, most of the cells and organs in the body can actually function normally. But the motor neurons that are actually responsible for sending messages from the brain to the muscles are very sensitive to low levels of SMN protein. And so there is loss of muscular control or even delayed and deranged muscular activity. This is typically seen at the age of 6 months in children, and that's when they're supposed to be crawling probably or tossing and turning, and that's actually not seen in these children. That could be a signal or a sign. And what does this drug do then? It's actually a biologic drug that has harmless viral vector, and the virus is called AAV9 virus. And this vector actually carries the SMN1 transgene to the affected motor neurons in the body, and that causes the increase in the SMN protein, and that helps against to restore the motor neuron function and probably prevents further damage as well. Well, that's how it treats the disease, and this is all about the costliest drug in the world at the moment for you folks. And if you benefited from watching this video, please like it and share the video with the others as well for their knowledge. Thank you and goodbye.